Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Gems. In this video, I'll be showing you all about the Clubrare project. They're introducing e-commerce in the Web3 space, and in this video, I'll be showing you all about this project and how to get started using it. So make sure to stay to the end of the video. But before I get started, this video is not financial advice. Please always do your own research. This video is just for information and education purposes only. Now let's dive into it. So here is the website, and just a quick reminder, all the links covered in this video will be available in the description down below, so go check them out over there. Now Clubrare is a Web3 project that aims to strengthen individual power through innovation in e-commerce. Clubrare is redefining the e-commerce industry, focusing on the collectors and the creators. So essentially, Clubrare is the world's first physical NFT marketplace. As you can see, the products listed are actually physical items that you can actually purchase and buy, and this is all run and owned by the community. They aim to focus on the individual buyers and sellers and not the intermediaries. Therefore, their core structure is actually distributing profits to its individuals. This is not quite common with other NFT marketplaces, and Clubrare is actually one of the first to be doing it. As you can see, there are a ton of different buyers and sellers, leaderboards showing their track record of buying and selling and purchasing different collectibles. They have a ton of different categories over here to select from. For example, sneakers shows you all the cool listings of sneakers that they have as collectibles that you can enjoy and actually buy into. As you can see at the top right hand corner, we have a navigation bar with all the different sections and categories you can choose from. If we click on explore, here are all the NFTs and collectibles listed over here that you guys can take a look at. Make a bid, and if you are interested, end up buying one of them. Over here, clicking on create will take you to this page where you can connect your wallet and actually create your own NFT listings or collectible listings that you can post to sell to different consumers. Now Clubrare is a well-rounded token economy-based project that's been doing some crazy innovations that, say for example, LooksRare or X2Y2 just aren't doing. See, LooksRare offers trade rewards, but the downside is that 95% of trades are wash trades, and most of them are traded by a small number of whales, and their team dumping tokens actually just contributed to the loss of trust overall. As for X2Y2, yeah, they didn't have private investment, they did provide listing rewards, and they did upload many NFT collections, but the platform did not activate because there was no reward for continuous use. Now these are some of the flaws of these other platforms, but Clubrare is actually complementing all of this. There's no private fund, no one can dump, and they've adopted a sustainable compensation structure. Clubrare has both trading and listing rewards, but they have chosen to be distributed at a fixed rate for the next 10 years. Therefore, when the token price rises, everyone's happy. Also, 60% of transaction fees are actually returned back to the community, but half of it is actually used as a treasury fund for the long-term community users. By the way, Clubrare does not reward short-term traders. 40% of the entire transaction fee is actually used as a dev fund. Rather, Clubrare actually believes that having a regular revenue model helps the project's healthy growth and prevents token dumping. Also, if you didn't know, Clubrare actually has their own gamified shopping metaverse. As you can see, their metaverse is opening on June 24th of 2022 in Times Square. Here is a live DAO, and you can actually get an invite. As you can see, request an invite, and then you can apply for your own invite over here. Just fill out this form, click apply now, and go through these steps. Honestly, with a project like this, you're definitely not going to want to miss out on their metaverse. Now here's a little bit about their open metaverse and the whole concept and how it will work. So this is their metaverse built upon open source protocols, standards, and rules of finance. A metaverse where all are welcome. Their open metaverse club is an annual gathering and DAO centered on all things interoperability in the metaverse. Their DAO will actually be created live in real time on June 24, 2022 in New York by participating initial members. So this metaverse will actually strengthen user autonomy by enabling direct ownership and interoperability. Clubrare also has a partnership with the Sandbox. This made it possible for users to play in Clubrare's metaverse world with different tokens such as their Lazy Leo Club and their MPWR. What is MPWR, you might ask? So this is actually their community token. Over here, as you can see here, is an article that they posted showing you everything you need to know about their MPWR community token. So here are some of the tokens utilities. You'll be able to showcase your physical NFTs, so you can actually display your physical NFTs in their showcase and also convert the physical products they own into NFTs and display them in their personal metaverse showcase as well. You'll get access to the guild group where actually collectors can interact with each other, share their tastes, and display guild exclusive physical NFTs. You'll also be able to do different quests, battles, and contests that will be held on either a regular or occasional base. Participants can show their physical NFTs and boast their personal taste to the world. They can then earn MPWR once they satisfy the required condition. However, they may have to use MPWR in a special quest. And they also have their own governance and DAO token. This one is called AGOV token, and here's everything you really need to know about it. So the AGOV token is a governance token mainly used to determine the operating policies of Clubrare. It can also be used to trade Clubrare's luxury limited NFTs. So essentially, it's a governance DAO token over here. They say that nevertheless, they remain very attractive to many users, which has led a sharp rise in the price of a number of these tokens. This is particularly the case of AGOV, the governance token of the Clubrare universe. So it's great that they have a both community and government token set up for their Clubrare universe. For some additional announcements coming up, there will be a Clubrare launch. This is an upcoming NFT project called Vampire Attack, which will be airdropped for OpenSea users around mid of May. They have a physical NFT feature launch and partner announcement coming up in June. And don't forget about their NYC Open Metaverse Club to be held. They also have a great Discord for their community members of 10,000 members currently, and they're fastly growing. As you can see, they have some different cool announcements to stay up to date with over here, so you're definitely not going to want to miss out on their Discord. So that pretty much sums it up for the Clubrare project. They're doing something totally new and innovative in terms of Web3 NFT marketplace platforms. They also have their Open Metaverse Club coming up very soon, and a ton of more stuff in store for you guys. So this is definitely a project you're not going to want to miss out on. Once again, remember that all the links covered in this video will be in the description down below, so make sure to go check them out over there. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a like, comment down below about any questions you had about this project that we didn't cover in this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto Gems channel so we can keep on bringing you some awesome content to help you on your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.